If you're hunting for an affordable Apple Watch without sacrificing too much, the Apple Watch SE has always been the go-to. But in 2025, Apple is reportedly launching the Apple Watch SE 3, the first major update in 3 years. So, is it finally worth the upgrade? Let's break down the top reasons to consider upgrading, and a few key reasons why you might want to hold off. Counterclockwise arrows button redesigned look. While the Series 11 and Ultra 3 might keep the same look, the SE 3 is expected to get a fresh new design, possibly inspired by the sleeker Series 10. Think slimmer bezels, a more modern frame, and maybe even a more vibrant display. Mobile phone bigger display. Apple might upgrade the SE 3 to the larger 42mm and 46mm sizes, which means a much bigger and better display, perfect for reading messages, notifications, and navigating apps more easily. Gear new S11 chip. The SE2 used the S8 chip from the Series 8. In 2025, we're likely to see a big performance boost with the new S11 chip, shared with the Series 11. That means faster processing and better power efficiency without a price hike. But why might you skip the SE3? Prohibited missing health features. Don't expect ECG, sleep apnea tracking, blood oxygen outside the US, or temperature sensing. These features will still be reserved for the Series 11 and Ultra models. Stethoscope no blood pressure tracking. Apple is expected to debut blood pressure alerts in 2025, but that feature will likely skip the SE3 entirely, possibly limited to Ultra 3 or Series 11 only. Brick plastic casing concerns. Rumors suggest Apple may switch to a plastic casing to cut costs similar to the iPhone 5C strategy. While it may offer more color options and a lower price, it could also mean a cheaper feel, which might not sit well with fans of Apple's premium design. Final thoughts. The Apple Watch SE 3 could be a fantastic upgrade for casual users who want a modern look, better performance, and a bigger display without breaking the bank. But if you're after advanced health features or premium build quality, you might want to stick with the higher-end models.